So what's the difference between the Kit free plan and the Kit newsletter plan, which are both free? Let me explain. So on the pricing page, if you go to kit.com/pricing, this is what you'll be presented with. So the three main plans: the newsletter, the creator, and the creator pro. The newsletter one, as you can see here, is free and it gives you up to 10,000 subscribers. The creator plan starts at $9 a month for up to 300 subscribers, and the creator pro is $25 a month up to 300 subscribers. Now if you join Kit and under a 14-day trial like this link here, you'll then have access for that 14-day period to all the premium features without having to pay anything. Okay. Now at the end of that 14-day period, you can either apply a payment card to your account and join on the creator plan or the creator pro plan if you want, and you'll have access to all the features in that plan. However, if you decide not to and you just want to revert back to the free plan, you can do that. However, you will not have any visual automations or email sequences, two of the most popular and powerful features of the platform. Okay, so that's on the creator and the creator pro plan if you downgrade to the free option. Contrast that with the newsletter plan, which is, it starts at free and it's always free, and it starts by giving you access to 10,000 subscribers, and it gives you as part of the plan one basic visual automation and one email sequence, and also just one user. So even though you may start with a trial, a 14-day trial, you will not then drop back to the newsletter plan. It's a different plan. If you find that you've signed up for a 14-day trial and you want to then go to the newsletter plan, you're going to need to contact Kit support. They'll send you a link. Once you click that link, it will then migrate your account from being on a free plan to a newsletter plan. So it can be quite confusing. Hope this clarifies it for you. See you on the next video.